Alright, today I've come to Bonsall Pond in Glendale. Just wanted to check it out. See, it's a little overcast. It's actually almost 80 degrees today, so perfect bait for today. My favorite, the spinnerbait. I brought another one with a willow leaf blade, or a Colorado blade, I'm sorry. But this is what's tied on, so this is what we're going to use. Rod and reel today. This is my other, what did I call it? A Pro Qualifier? I think it was actually a Pro Qualifier 2. I looked it up. So it's a bionic blade micro guide. This one's my 7-foot medium fast. And this one's got the slower reel on it, the 6.6 to 1. And Bass Pro Shops even labeled it specifically for spinnerbaits, which is pretty cool because this is exactly what it's good at. I've got it spooled with 12-pound mono. It's just a 3/8 ounce willow leaf spinner blade or spinner bait. I've got a little grub tail on it for some bulk and extra weight. It's pretty much perfect for today. It's cloudy, a little bit of water chop. The water's pretty murky. I'm hoping this will do it. I'm hoping there's even bass in here. I have mixed feelings on this pond. It's a beautiful park. I think it's a great looking pond, beautiful park. But as you can see, it's full of transients and drug addicts during the day. And at night, it's just full of transients. And like, they don't care. They'll set up tents. I've seen one take a shit in a bucket before. God dang it. See anybody catch anything out of here? Big catfish? Yeah. See if the bass will come up.
There you go. I know the other side had a bass a while back.
Where at?
2 weeks ago, about on the other side in that area.
Yeah?
Over here, on that side. That's where you get some bigger ones.
All right. Well, I'm doing a lap. We'll see what happens. You guys want it if I catch it?
Sure.
Yeah? All right.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I just throw it back. They say.
I
I was just talking to some guys over there. They were telling me some dude pulled out a huge old catfish earlier.
Oh, you take a picture of it? That's what I want to see.
Nah, I don't think they had it.
I know.
No pics didn't happen, right?
Yeah, I know.
Nah, I haven't caught anything.
Hey, but it's still a good time.
I'm still having a good time.
Look at the sun that's coming out.
I don't know, man. It's gorgeous today, and I'm not at work.
It's a beautiful day.
It is. Have a good one. Alright, well that wraps up our trip to Bonsall Pond. I spent about a half hour, just did a lap, throwing a spinnerbait, talking with some of the locals. Didn't catch much. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that trip. See you guys on the next one. You know, just a quick follow-up on this. I wouldn't feel safe bringing my kids down here. It's a gorgeous park. The lake is really neat. If they stock it, I'm sure it's fun for catching fish out here, but you know, with the neighborhood that it's in, we're on 59th Avenue in Bethany Home. And just with the transient and drug addict population, I just wouldn't feel safe bringing kids here. Maybe if the city of Glendale got on top of that, this could be a nicer place again. But until then, this is a transient home. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the tour of this lake. It's a great little place. It's fun. It's quick. It's close. See you guys on the next lake.